Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of December 25 through the 31st. That's week 52 of 2023 in my Aura Style B6 Daily Classic. It's so fat, it does not lay anywhere close to flat, but we're gonna make it work. For this week, I'm using this kit from Minivan Dreams. I'm pretty sure there's a new name for her website. I'm gonna link that down below because I will know what's going on then. This kit's called Gnome for Christmas. I just think it's super cute and fun, and I like the plaid and very good for Christmas, obviously. To go with it, I also pulled out this Pilot. It's technically a super tiny brush tip, and I'm just gonna use that to write everything in. So I think I'm gonna do those bits and put all of that stuff down and whatever, and then I will come back so that we can do what setup I am able to do right now. Okay, here's where we're at so far. I think it's looking pretty cute. Very simple so far though, for sure. Nothing wanted to cut properly, so that was a super fun development that I discovered as I was trying to do that. You might have noticed I had to pull out my scissors, and apparently like all of this when I cut it did not cut the way that it should. So we might just have a bit of a struggle today. We're gonna see how that goes. So I'm gonna try to cut out, if I can get it, this really long bottom washi, which I'm not going to put on the bottom because this is the last week in this planner that doesn't have a spot for bottom washi. Okay, all the scrappy scraps are coming off everywhere, so that's also super fun. Yeah, cutting did not go as smoothly as I would hope. Let's just go with that. Gonna trim off some more scrappy scraps with my scissors. There we go. Okay, close enough. We're just gonna go with it now. I'm gonna stick this down in like a vertical stripe, like so. And then I'm gonna pull out a few of these little deco pieces that are in here that I cut out. I'm gonna try to stick those in as well. Some of them kind of got cut short because of the shape that they are, so that kind of influences how I cut it, whatever, how it printed, all those things, you know. I'm just going to kind of stick them going up a little bit randomly. I don't have like strong attachment kind of situation. Okay, that's sure. We'll stick one of these little bells up here too. Okay, there we go. I don't really need anything functional for this week, so that's what we're gonna go with. I think it's cute, even if it's a little messier than I would like. Okay, moving on to Monday. So this is Christmas Day. So I think I'm gonna use this Christmas tree full box, since that seems appropriate on Christmas Day. I'm gonna stick it down here at the bottom. I'm probably gonna do that with a lot of them, to be honest. Because there's just more. My planner is extra fat at the top half. So giving it a little more at the bottom is helpful. And then I'm gonna pull out this guy. I'm gonna stick right here to mark that it's Christmas Day. And then that's all I'm gonna fill in, because I don't know what we are doing for any of these days, to be honest. Moving on to Tuesday, none of the rest of these like super matter which gnome goes where, because they are all cute. So I'm just gonna kind of stick them in. And then, let's see. I feel like it's helpful to have a red box so that the backgrounds don't match. So whatever color the background is on the gnome box, I'm gonna try to use a full box of the other color. I'm gonna stick this in right here. That is for flights that we have scheduled. And then I'm gonna stick probably right here. That's gonna be for, we need to pick up my in-laws. So we'll do that. Moving on to the next day. Maybe we'll use one of these guys. Ladies, maybe? The scrippy scraps are really bothering me, but that's where we're at right now. There we go. Stick her down like so. And then we need a green box, I think. I don't know what's planned for any of these days, but I'm just sticking in these boxes. That one's not where, but whatever. Anyway, I'm just gonna stick that in for whatever our major activity is for the day. All of this is gonna be post-planned because I don't actually have anything going on any of these days. So therefore, I can just kind of do it as memory keeping later. So we can do the truck. And then, yeah, I don't have anything set in stone. We'll meet up with some friends, hopefully see a friend's baby. Do some house chores and stuff like that. You know, all the usual stuff that you do when you are visiting your parents. So that's all we're really gonna do. That's why this setup is so boring and straightforward, but hopefully it's gonna look cute. I guess I'll do the presents. And then the last 2 days, I think I want this background with the ornament to be for New Year's Eve. I don't know if we're gonna stay up for the ball drop. Every year we're like very wishy-washy about it. Every year we end up staying awake and then mostly regretting it. But, you know, we'll see. So I'm gonna put the poinsettia on Saturday then. I'm actually gonna put this up a little higher than some of them. There we go. And then that leaves this nice lady with her flower. And last up, sorry if you can hear my cat eating in the background. He's very noisy and weird. Okay, and then stick this guy in to mark New Year's Eve. So then I have this last bottom washi, these 4 or 5 boxes, and a little bit of functionals. I'm gonna throw that in my pile for when I actually get to setting up everything, which will be probably right before you see all of this stuff. Anyway, so here's where we're at in the pre-planning. Very simple, but cute, hopefully. And stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spreads. All right, here are the finished spreads for this week. I used up everything from this kit, which is labeled as from Minivan Dreams. I think she's now City Girl Farm Life. I don't know. The kit will be linked down below. You can see her blog, all that good stuff. If I don't mention it, it came from that kit. The pen is a Pilot pen. Otherwise, it's mostly using kit stuff. Christmas Day at Grandma's, we maybe fixed her oven. Hard to tell. We'll see how that lasts. A busy travel day and picking up my in-laws. And then a kind of like home tasks kind of day. We did try a marzipan latte, which was delicious. Definitely recommend that if you're around there and they haven't changed their seasonal beverages already. On Thursday, it was a relatively quiet day, some errands and things like that. And then same for Friday, I got a lot of reading done on these few days as well. And then into the weekend, some friend time and all that good stuff. Hung out with some friends in Queens. Got to meet their new baby. That was super nice. And by new, I mean 8-month-old baby, but still new baby. So that was fun. And then had lunch with a friend from college over here, as well as did some other errands, things like that, and hit 400 books for the year and then fell asleep before midnight, as you do. So that's all I have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know down below how your holidays went or how the start of your year is going, or just leave me some sort of celebratory emoji to say hi. I know this video is coming up a little bit late. Things are a little chaotic with the start of the year, all that good stuff, but we will get back on a regular schedule pretty soon. And then also please follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads of all my 2024 planners, as well as bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.